Yo, what is up, people? I am building my gaming PC. Surprisingly. I guess I'll go over an overview of the parts. I'm not gonna be doing a guide or a tutorial thing or anything. I'm probably gonna just do a time-lapse video. Have a RH580 MSI armor. Oh shoot. A Asus Prime B350 plus. I have a Corsair 650 watt bronze rating, bronze power rating. I have I don't know why I didn't go over the CPU first. I have Ryzen 5 2600 with for RAM we have 2 sticks of 8GB G-Skill rip jaws, couple of case fans, salvaged, and for our SSD we have a salvaged Samsung 860 Evo, 250GB if I'm correct. That so hopefully this build will go good. Oh, and I also have a Corsair Carbide 275R case with a tempered glass panel. So let's get into the build.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
Alrighty. Alright. I did turn off the camera a lot. For a lot. And I couldn't really see the close-ups, but these was pre-built. But update. I got mainly everything done. All the wires connected. All the power supply, extra power supply cables out the way and shit. Nice. Got my seat. Got everything in. I got everything in. Hopefully this thing should run. Only thing I don't really have working is these two top fans, because I don't have enough. I don't have enough pins on my motherboard to connect those many fans, so I'm gonna just get a splitter or a wire converter. I mean, for a first time build, man. Wire management is kind of nice. Alright. If you can't see it, you should be able to. Hold on, let me put some light on. Bam. Okay. We have got this thing powered on. Let's see if it's gonna kick in.
Nope.
Shit.
Several days later.
Oh my God. From the last update. So when I couldn't get the display to work, you can put a little light in here. When I couldn't get the display to work, it was because I had the wrong RAM in. It was literally the RAM. I went and bought some G-Skill Ripjaws 5, which was Intel exclusive, and I had to RMA it. So I went to my nearest Best Buy and got me two 8GB sticks of some Corsair Vengeance, and voila, my PC is up and running finally. Alright, that was the trials and errors of it. Just don't ever check compatibility, cross-check compatibility of all your items, even the case. Cross-check your compatibility. That was a big issue on my side. Let me install some drivers and get the plan. This is the end of the build video. Hope you guys liked it. Peep the setup, and everybody have a good day.